My eye makeup looks great. And then... But... I just realized, so... I've already filmed one video in this series, but I never posted it. And I don't know why. Many months ago, I recorded a video, my ridiculous berry-colored lipstick collection. Right? I'll link that right here, in case you want to go check that out. And my friend had asked me, at the time, she wanted to see those all on my lips, do a bunch of lip swatches. So I've already done one part of this, and I'm hoping that I'll have it up before you see this one, so I'll link that somewhere. The first installment was with my berry-colored lipsticks. I did lip swatches of all of those, so I thought, I got a little time on my hands, got a little time to destroy my lips. So I thought we would move forward with my, like, deep, grungy red, brownie red, deep reds. I was gonna do pinks, but I don't think this is gonna come off all the way. Screw it. We'll do it live. Let's see if I can't get this off of my face without completely I just barely put on this makeup. Like, I'm looking fly. Here comes the pain, here comes the pain, here comes the pain. This always seems like such a good idea until I actually start filming. Because it's really painful to put on lip stuff and then wipe it off, and then put it on and wipe it off again. Well, I took all the selfies I needed, I guess, for documenting this bum-ass makeup look. My lips are already screaming. So it looks like I have 15, which I think is about the same as what I had in my last one. So, the color that I had on in the beginning of this video was Morphe Bloodshot. I'm not going to put that back on, because I already did that one. Next is Morphe Mood. Oh, look. It's all over my teeth. That's cute. There is Morphe Mood. Murdered my face. They're a matte finish. I don't think they're very long wearing or transfer proof. Fairly transfer proof. I don't know. Actually, I don't think I've ever put that one on before. Have I had it for a month? Yeah. Aha! This is NYX Slip Tease in the shade Dexter. It's a full color lip lacquer with a shiny finish. I haven't actually put this one on yet. I only got this really recently. My mirror is so dirty that it's hard to see what I'm doing. I hate the applicator. Oh, what the hell? What? Finish. Here's NYX Dexter. It's very thick. I believe it is a shiny finish. This is the first time I've ever put it on. Very glossy finish. It feels like a gloss, like a really thick gloss. But it's not like a goopy gloss. It did get all over my teeth though. I like it. Comes off much easier than a liquid lip though. I'm a dumb shit. Next is this Too Faced Melted Matte. This is in the shade Drop Dead Red. And I believe this is the one that I wore to the Paramore concert in July. Ah, shit! I look horrible. My overdraw is gonna take over my freaking face. There's Drop Dead Red. It is a very brown red. Don't look too closely. I love Too Faced's formula. It's very comfortable, it dries matte, it doesn't get crumbly. I wouldn't say it's transfer proof. It says long wear lipstick, but it didn't wear as long as I wanted it to. This shade in particular. But that might have been because I was singing and dancing and drinking water. Sorry, I was keeping myself hydrated at this concert. I need to wear this more. This is super, super vampy. My face isn't. Should I do vlogs? Like, not a lot interesting happens in my life, but I could give you guys an inside scoop on my life if you wanted. Next is Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Rubino. This was a free gift with some stuff that I bought when we had an event at Ulta. Every time I see my mouth, it just gets worse. A very smooth formula. Oops. Oh, the overdrive's getting a little crazy out there. Okay. Here's Rubino. I don't really have any opinion on Stila's liquid lipstick formula. I've only worn this one other time. It dried fairly quickly, matte finish. It's cute. I looked good in my last video. Next is the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Lip Ammo. This is in the shade Unicorn Blood. I do like this shade a lot. I haven't worn it in a while, but I like it. Again, a deep brick brown red. Whoa, we're halfway there. Whoa! Next is this L'Oreal Color Riche matte lipstick. This is in the shade Doesn't Matte R, doesn't matter. I don't know if I would actually keep it in. Like, it looks so much darker than it goes on. Like, it's deceptively pinky for the color of the lipstick in the tube. I have used this on several occasions. I wore it for Halloween. I did a similar look to this, actually, for Halloween last year. It's very, very drying, I found. From an Ulta Beauty brand, this is the shade Pomegranate. It is a matte lipstick. This might have been a clearance. Oh my gosh. I can't take me seriously anymore. I mean, you get the general idea. As messy as it is, you kind of get what I'm going for. I think this was a clearance item. Yeah, I wouldn't have bought it full price. It bleeds and transfers a lot, so I don't reach for this one very often. I start to look more and more like a clown as I do this. Next is Anastasia Beverly Hills matte lipstick. This is in the shade Rust. This is a brown. Yeah, that's like an actual brown. This isn't a red. I don't know why I have this. Rust. Yeah, it's just brown. I don't know why I have this one. Things were buy two, get two free for Anastasia. And, that was one of the things I got. Next, I've got two Makeup Revolution lipsticks. This one is in the shade 100% Vamp. Probably one of the darkest lipsticks I own. I would describe this as blackberry. Deep grape color. Oh my gosh. Ignore what's happening over here. This one isn't very long wearing. Some of Makeup Revolution's lipsticks are long wearing, but this one... Look at my face. Look at my face. What the hell? I was looking bomb like 20 minutes ago. That's not one that I wear a lot, because it's a little messy. And when deep lipsticks get messy, there's really no coming back from it. As we can see on my face. The other Makeup Revolution lipstick is this one in the shade Reckless. That doesn't go in this one at all. This is red. This goes over with the reds. Never mind, that one doesn't go with this one. Moving forward, the Physicians Formula Healthy Lip Velvet Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Nourishing Plum. I was wearing this earlier, but it was a little too streaky for me. And it smells weird. Very, plasticky. Like, I've had weird toys that have smelled like this. It tastes really weird. It's a matte velvet finish. I don't know how long wearing it is. I've never had to test that yet. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, this is a Morphe lipstick in the shade Cream. I will get a very bad overdraw with this one because the tip is rounded. I don't know if this goes with this one. Yeah, we'll keep this in here. Because it's not bright enough to be one of my actual berry tones. So, there's Morphe lipstick in Cream. I love the packaging. I don't know about long wearing. It's very smooth, kind of glossy feeling. The other problem is that I never take my screenshots, like my thumbnail picture, before I start making myself look like the Joker. Oh, we're almost done. We're almost done there. You got 2 more left. Right? 2 more? 2 more and we're done. Okay. This is not... Is this supposed to be in here? I feel like this is way too... Yeah, no, this does not go in this one. So that leaves us with 1 more. The last one is ColourPop Lippy Stick in the shade Ellery. There's a fluffy on my face. I'm trying to make my overdraw look less terrifying, but it's not really working. Okay. And there is Ellery. That's it. For my deep, grungy, brownie red lipstick collection. Ow. I hope you guys enjoyed yourself. I didn't. Putting myself on the internet looking at this, that's fine. I hope you guys will subscribe to my channel. I have several other collections like this that will be coming your way. You can always check out the previous one and my previous stuff. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you next time. Bye! Ow! Like, I was looking popping earlier, and then I had to go and ruin it, make myself look like this.